Hey everyone, I hope you are doing great. If you have got funds in your Cash app and now you want to move them quickly into your LSSC account, that's exactly what we will going to do in this video. So first of all, you need to come on lightsha.com. Over here, you need to basically log in into your account. Once you are in your account, you need to just click on the three lines in the top left hand corner of the screen, then click on the recharge option. Over here in your Cash app, you can basically send Bitcoin only. It doesn't allow you to send or receive any other cryptocurrencies. So here in LSSC as well, you need to select Bitcoin, then enter the amount of Bitcoin that you want to recharge your account with. After entering the amount, simply click on the confirm option. Now you will be shown this type of QR code and the deposit amount and the address in front of you. You need to copy this address from here, then launch your crypto.com application. Over here, tap on this pay icon here in the bottom. Once you do it, it is going to basically ask for the cash tag or the phone number or the email address. So you need to swipe to the right and click on the Bitcoin option. Then you need to paste the address that we have just copied. Then click on the next option in the top right hand corner of the screen. You need to enter the amount there and confirm your transaction. Once your transaction is completed from your Cash app account, it is going to come in your LSSC account within 5 to 10 minutes. So you will have to wait for it. So funds should arrive in LSSC, as I said earlier, in just a few minutes once it is approved successfully. So you need to keep an eye on your transaction status. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know if you have any further questions regarding this tutorial. Thanks for watching.